Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the low hand top roll. This powerful arm wrestling technique can give you a significant advantage over your opponents. We'll start by understanding what makes the low hand top roll so effective and why it's a staple for many top arm wrestlers. It's all about leverage and control, allowing you to dominate the match from the very beginning. Get ready to elevate your game with this essential move. Setting up correctly is crucial for a successful low hand top roll. You'll want to establish a solid base, ensuring your feet are firmly planted and your body is aligned. Focus on getting your hand deep into your opponent's hand, aiming for a low grip that allows you to control their fingers and wrist. This initial positioning sets the stage for the entire match, giving you the upper hand right from the go command. A good setup is half the battle won. Once you're set, it's time to execute the low hand top roll. The key is to initiate the movement by pronating your wrist, essentially turning your hand over, while simultaneously pulling your opponent's fingers back towards you. Drive through your entire body, engaging your back and legs to generate maximum power. Maintain relentless pressure, constantly trying to open their hand and bring their knuckles down. This continuous effort will break their grip and lead you to victory. Even with the best intentions, mistakes can happen. A common error is losing your low hand position too early or not driving through your body enough. Remember to keep your pronation strong and your back engaged. Consistent practice is vital. Drill this technique regularly to build muscle memory. Focus on feeling the leverage and control. With dedication and attention to detail, you'll refine your low hand top roll and become a formidable force at the arm wrestling table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.